Hey guys! Alright, so here on the homestead we decided to do another homesteading adventure. It's a very northern Michigan thing. It's about 30 degrees right now and there's still lots of snow. And right now what we're doing is, Justin, do you want to tell them what we're doing? No, he doesn't want to say. We are actually tapping maple trees. Our forest has a lot of different maple trees, so we're going to tap it for syrup this year. So this is the first time we're doing it, so we're excited to be able to show you along our new adventure that we're doing. So we're picking maple trees that are at least 12 inches in diameter, and we are putting one tap in each tree. And he's drilling using a 5/16 bit, and you're doing it up on an angle so that the little tiny spout is kind of coming angling down this way, so it starts dripping out. And they are dripping today, not flowing, but they are dripping and getting us a lot of some syrup. So we had a couple more taps, so we decided to do a couple more. And then this weekend we're going to collect it and then collect all the sap and then boil it down to syrup. So that's kind of what we're doing right now. Did you want to say anything? No? Man of many words. Off camera though. All right, so this is what we're doing. So we're excited. We're going to show you our step-by-step of what we're doing and come learn along with us.